Hello, this is Bria from ChipBot. Today, I'll show you how to add ChipBot to your hosting or website builder. First, you'll want to be logged into your account. Then go to Websites on the top navigation. Next, click Edit Website. Over on the left, hover over the three dots, which is the General Settings section. In the menu, click the Integrations link. The Custom Code section is where you will add the ChipBot install code. Now switch tabs back to your ChipBot dashboard. Copy the embed code and then switch back to Hostinger. Paste the ChipBot embed code and click Save Changes. To publish your changes, click Update Website on the top right. Finally, go to your website directly, click Refresh, and you should see your video live. If you have any questions, please reach out to us on live chat or support@chipbot.com. Thanks for using ChipBot.